What's up, guys? You guys already know it's dinner time at Chula, so check it out. This is pollito with chile verde. We got some little frijolitos. I do not own none of the rights to none of the music. Bumping in my casita, pero check out these little chilitos, tomate, a little dollop with daisy. Let's make some tostadas. You guys already know how we do it. Cariño nuevo. I do not own none of the rights to the music. Watch out, guys. I had some aguacates, pero I guess they rolled away, homies. Because I can't find them. Pero watch them. Ooh. Let's take a bite. Me perdone este negro pensamiento, pero es que no me aguanto lo que tú me haces penar. Oh my goodness, I love it. Tiempo al tiempo y veremos si resiente el orgullo siempre. Oh my goodness, guys. ¡Ves con otra! Woo! Get it right, gente. The love is a boom, boom, boom. But anyways, guys, you guys already know, man. Anyways, gente, you guys already know, man. Stay blessed, do you, be you, and do good. And remember, gente, if God has a plan for me, God has a plan for you, and yes, even you. Stay blessed, gente. Show! And remember, pray without ceasing, gente.